Will, where'd you go? Will? Have you seen Will? Guys, welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and if you haven't finished watching Stranger Things, that's a different show. I'm pitching that one to Netflix. Stranger Things. Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and if you haven't already finished binging Stranger Things Season 3, Stranger Things Season 3 is out today, so make sure to go check it out over on Netflix. I feel like I don't need to say that because so many people watch this show. Like, I was doing some research. During the first 3 days of Stranger Things, 8.8 million people watched that. Can 8.8 million people watch this too? Now, if you're not familiar with the show, it follows the adventure of a bunch of different kids. Mike, 11, Dustin, Lucas, Will, and they live in Hawkins, Indiana, this made-up town. I think it's made up. And after the vanishing of this young boy, they kind of go on this whole adventure through the unknown, the upside down, kind of discover this like government lab. Now, season 3 takes place during the summer, and in one of the trailers, there's this brand new mall, Starcourt Mall, that's coming to Hawkins. It's got like all your favorite amenities, like the Gap, Claire's, and of course a state-of-the-art food court. And the one thing that caught my eye was the Scoops Ahoy Ice Cream Parlor. Like, that's such a cool name. Now, in the trailers, you also see a lot of ice cream cones, and that's what we're gonna make today. I felt like it was a very summer treat, and in the trailer with the Starcourt Mall, there's a few people who work at Scoops Ahoy handing out an ice cream cone. It's a chocolate ice cream cone with some toppings and a waffle cone. So today we are going to replicate that and make a homemade ice cream, decorate it with what we'd like, and put it into our waffle cone. So let's go to the Starcourt Mall. I feel like I'm not dressed for the mall though. Like, if I'm gonna be making Scoops Ahoy things, I want a sailor outfit. Just got this shirt. The ingredients for this recipe are 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, a half a cup of chocolate syrup, and 1 3-ounce pack of chocolate pudding. Maybe instead of this outfit, I should like put on like a disguise, like a pink dress. You know that disguise was like modeled off of like E.T., right? I'm E.T. The first thing we want to do is to create our base for our ice cream. The great thing about this is that you can choose whatever base you'd like, and we're going to go for the chocolate because that's what I saw Steve handing out. I'm guessing Scoops Ahoy has many flavors, so you can get creative. We're going to combine our sweetened condensed milk. Ooh. There's like some Stranger Things stuff right here. Just looks kind of weird. Do you think Demogorgons fake? I feel like they have a sweet tooth. Like, one of those teeth have to be a sweet tooth. If they got sweet tooth, salty tooth, savory tooth, spicy tooth, hungry tooth, human tooth. With our chocolate sauce and chocolate pudding, I set our chocolate ice cream base off to the side, and we can begin to work on the second component to our ice cream, the whipped cream part of this. We're going to fold everything in, freeze it, and it tastes so good. I'm going to be adding in all of our heavy whipping cream. This is going to take a while. Should we bake in the upside down? Do you think they bake in the upside down? They have to. Let's see. Let's go to the upside down. And using a hand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, mix up the whipped cream until stiff peaks form. Finally. Alright, let's go back to not the upside, the right side up. The normal world. Let's go back there. Well, we've got our whipped cream base and our chocolate base, and now we can start to fold these together. We're going to carefully pour all of this into our whipped cream and fold it in. Using your spatula, go underneath the whipped cream and flip it over. And repeat this process until it is fully incorporated. We have our nice chocolate base here, and at this point you could maybe drizzle in some more chocolate, you could add in some nuts, whatever you'd like. However, I'm going to be popping this into the freezer for over 8 hours. I actually just like to leave it overnight, uncovered, just like this, and it becomes this really nice, rich, smooth, creamy ice cream, and it's amazing. Like, it's well worth the wait. Just like Stranger Things Season 3, hopefully. I just thought while we waited for our ice cream, I could have a little snack here. And it goes great with the smoothie we made a couple videos back. I'll put it up here. I love Eggos. So, like, even plain like this, they're good. Our ice cream has been chilling overnight, and now we can start to scoop it into our ice cream cones. I'm going to be using waffle cones, because you know why. And I'm going to be using an ice cream scoop as well, scooping in a few spoonfuls of chocolate ice cream into our cones. We filled all of our ice cream cones with our chocolate ice cream, and I'm guessing at Scoops Ahoy you can kind of add whatever toppings you'd like a normal ice cream parlor, but didn't get the job, don't have the outfit, so I'm just going to copy the one that we see Steve handing out. To top our ice cream cones, I've got a few things over here. I've got some white chocolate ganache, some chopped almonds, I think they were almonds, they might be sprinkles, I don't really know, and some maraschino cherries. I'm going to spoon on a little bit of chocolate ganache, sprinkle on our almonds, and top it off with our cherry. And here we have them, our Stranger Things Season 3 inspired ice cream cones that we made today. Look how cool these things are. We took inspiration from the new restaurant at the Starcourt Mall, Scoops Ahoy, and made these waffle cone ice cream cones with a homemade chocolate ice cream and topped it with some of the toppings that I saw from the trailer. If you get creative in making these, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another celebrity sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone you know who's watching Stranger Things right now. And tell them to subscribe. Let's try to hit 100 subscribers. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. Look how that... Oh. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.